This is for Year 12 methods. We're going to look at exercise 1G, question 4a. So we've got two graphs. One's a cube root graph, a cube root of x graph, and one's a fourth root of x graph. Okay. And we want to find when f of x equals g of x. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Okay. So we know cube root graph has two arms. It's going to look like this. It's like a spoy, but on one side. And the fourth root of x graph is going to have one arm. Okay, it's like the graph of root x. Okay, so remember the family is 1/2, x to the power 4th, x to the power 6, etc., and that always has a shape of like a root x graph. Okay, whereas cube root of x has a shape sort of like the even powers, one on an even power, but that's only one. You have the bottom arm as well. Okay, so when you draw this, the x to the power 1/4 will go slower. Okay, so what's going on? It's going to start at 0, and it's going to go like this, but it's going to go slower. Okay, and the intersection here will be 1, and it's going to be 0. Why? Because when is the cube root of x equal to the fourth root of x? Well, it's saying like what square root of what number, and the cube root of what number and the fourth root of what number is the same. Well, there's only two values that are the same, because the cube root of 0 equals 0, the fourth root of 0 equals 0, and the cube root of 1 equals 1, and the fourth root of 1 equals 1. So you've only got two possibilities. So therefore, for it to satisfy the condition, x has to be 0 and 1. Okay, and then when you draw the graph, that's essentially where the intercepts will lie. Okay, so hopefully that explains how you do that question.